Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, mathematics, new secondary mathematics, book 1, class 6, subject students, a new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level, O level students, and exercise number 4B for class 6 subject students, and 8B for D1 A level, O level. And question number 6 is, students, a car was bought in 2009 for $120,000. Price of car in 2009 is equal to $120,000. Then students, its value decreased by, in 2010 it decreased by 20%. Decreased percentage is equal to 20% in 2010. In 2010, decreased percentage is 20%. In 2011, its value decreased. In 2011, decreased percentage is 10%. And we have to find the value of car in the end of 2011. We have to find the value of the car. So students, it's very simple question. First, students, we will find the decreased value of the car after 2010, and that is 20%. And then again there was a decrease of value in the car is 10%, and that will be the value of car at the end of 2009. So students, we will find the value decreased percentage after 2010. It will be 100% minus 20%, and it will be 80%. Now students, value at the end of 2010 is equal to 80% of $120,000, sorry. So students, it will be 80 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by $120,000, and students, this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0, and the value of the car at the end of 2010 will be $. 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16 and 1 carry, and 8 ones are 8 and 1, $9. 96,000, the value of car at the end of 2011. Again students, there is decrease of 10%, so I will write again decreased percentage at the end of 2011 is equal to 100% minus 10%, and it will be 90%. Now students, the value of car at the end of 2011, value of car in 2011 will be 90% of $96,000. So students, 90 multiplied by 1 over 100 multiplied by $96,000. And students, this 0 will be cancelled with this 0, and this 0 will be cancelled with this 0, because both the zeros are at the end. Now students, I will multiply 9 with 9600, and we will have 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54 and 5 carry, 9 9s are 81 and 5 86. So at the end of 2011, the value of the car will be $84,400 as it decreased by 20% in 2010 and then 10% in 2011. So the value of the car at the end of 2011 will be $86,400. Students, question number 7 of the same exercise is 45% of the students who take part in a creative writing competition are boys. Percentage of boys is equal to 45%, and number of boys in creative writing competition is equal to 135, and we have to find the total number of students. Total students we have to find. So students, for this question we will suppose that the total number of students are X. So I will write let number of students is equal to X. Now students, look at the question. 45% of X is equal to 135 because the total number of boys are 45% of the total number of students, and the number of boys are 135. So students, if we suppose that the total students are X, then 45% of X is equal to 135. And if we don't want to suppose that the total number of students is equal to X, then we will write 45% of total students is equal to 135, and then we will solve this question. So students, it is written as 45% of the total students you can write, or of X, that are equal to 135. Students, you know that whenever we convert percentage into fraction, we will write multiply by 1/100 instead of percentage, and of mean multiplication. So it is written as 45 multiply by 1/100 in place of percentage, multiply by X is equal to 135. So students, 100 is dividing on left side. When I transfer it to the side, it will multiply. And 45 is multiplying on left side, and when I transfer it to the side, it will divide. So students, X will become 135 multiplied by 100 over 45. Now students, 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, and 5 0s are 0, and 9 1s are 9, and 9 1s are 9, and 4 carry, it will become 45, and 9 5s are 45, and 15 zeros are 0, and 15 2s are 30. So students, total number of students are 300, and in which 45% are boys, and the number of boys are 135, and we have to find the total number of students. So the total number of students are 300. Students, question number 8 is a house cost 36% more today than when it was built. So students, increasing percentage is equal to 36%. So students, increased percentage will be 100% plus 36%, and it will become 136%. If the cost of the house today's cost is $333,200, and we have to find the cost when it was built. Cost at the time of building or build. When it was built, cost at that time we have to find. So students, increased cost of the house is $333,200, and increased percentage is equal to 136%. So students, we will suppose that let the cost at the time of building, at the time when it built is equal to X. So students, according to the condition, 136% of X is $333,200. So students, it will become 136 multiplied by 1 over 100 instead of percentage multiplied by X is equal to $333,200. Students, 100 is dividing. When I transfer it to the side, it will multiply, and 136 is multiplying. When I transfer it to the side, it will divide. So X will become $333,200 multiplied by 100 over 136. So students, we will use calculator to find the value. So it will become, students, the value of the house at the time of building was $245,000, and after increasing 36% today it is $333,200. Students, question number 9 of the same exercise is, if 10% deducted from the bill, so students, deduction is equal to 10%, and the bill after deduction is, bill will be is equal to $58.5850, and we have to find the original bill. We have to find. So students, deduction of the bill is 10%, so deducted percentage, the percentage after deduction, will be 100% minus 10%, and it will be 90%. So students, 90% of original bill is $58.50. So we will write it as 90% of original bill is $58.50. So students, 90 will remain as 90, and instead of percentage I will write 1 over 100 multiplied by original bill we have to find is equal to $58.50. This 0 will be cancelled with this 0 because the 90 is numerator and 10 is denominator. So students, 10 is dividing. When I transfer it to the side, it will multiply, and 9 is multiplying. When I transfer it to the side, it will divide. So students, original bill will be $58.50 multiplied by 10 over 9. Now students, we will use calculator to solve this, and it will become 58.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 9, and the original bill will be, students, $65. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.